Introduction. Many people have heard about the law of attraction, but few people know how to use it properly. A lot of people think that it is some kind of magic because they have heard stories about people wishing for things to happen and then they did. It is not magic, but it is very powerful, and in the law of attraction code, we will show you exactly how to use it. The law of attraction is a universal law that has been around since the beginning of time. It is always there and always will be. You can't avoid the law of attraction, so why not make it work for you? By going through this training and following the advice given, you can do just that. In the first couple of videos, we will tell you what the law of attraction really is and how it works. This is essential for you to know if you want to use the power that it offers, so do not skip these videos. There are many different opinions on what it is and what it isn't, and you need to know the truth about this. You will learn exactly how to apply the law of attraction in your life in this guide. We have provided you with a step-by-step process for this. Yes, it will take a little effort on your part and you need to be consistent. But this is really worth it if you want to manifest your desires. If you have heard that all you need to do is think about your desires a lot and the universe will provide them to you, then this is wrong. There needs to be another ingredient with this action. Just thinking about something and then taking no action will never achieve anything. One of the main reasons that people want to learn about the law of attraction is they want to manifest more money and wealth. We have dedicated an entire video to this with the steps that you must take to make this work for you. The law of attraction is real, and it does work. But you need to know how to use it properly to get what you want. After you have gone through this training, you will have the law of attraction code that you can use every day to manifest anything that you want. So, what are you waiting for?